Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Lesson 30, page 73. Noon Qutni. Below are the two rules of Noon Qutni. Practice the rule with the examples given below until you understand the rule perfectly and will be able to apply it to any example of Noon Qutni in the Qur'an. Rule number 1. The rule of joining the Noon Qutni. When joining two words with Noon Qutni, the alif that appears before the small noon, which is the Noon Qutni, should not be read. Example, the words khayra al-wasiyyatu will be read as khayranil wasiyyatu and not as khayranil. Khabira alladhi. When continuing the recitation, the word will be read as khabiranil ladhi. Nufura istikbaran. When continuing the recitation, the word will be read as nufuran istikbaran. Rule number 2. The rule of stopping before the Noon Qutni. When a stop is desired before the Noon Qutni, the alif before the Noon Qutni will be read. Example, nufura. The Noon Qutni will be dropped off. The alif after the Noon Qutni will take the same harakah of the letter after the sakin, as in example A, or the harakah on the first tajdeed, as in example B below. Example A. Nufura istikbaran. When stop and start reading, the word will be read as nufura istikbaran. Example B. When stop and start reading, the word will be read as khabira alladhi.